Welcome to Jar Masala. So today I'm going to show you how to make spicy burgers, hamburger, cheeseburgers with our kebab masala. So I have some ground beef here, about 2 pounds, and you can use any type of meat. I really love it with turkey as well. So I have the ground meat, and then I have some jalapeno pepper, some white onions, and cilantro. I'm going to go ahead and add this. And then I'm going to add salt to taste. And then we're going to season the meat with our kebab masala. So I have about 2 pounds, so I'm going to use 4 half a teaspoon. And add the spice to your taste. 4. And then I'm going to add some canola oil. I'm just going to mix everything together. So we're going to cook our patties. I'm going to add some canola oil to this and then add our patties right here. So while our patties are cooking, I added some butter, and I'm using the sesame seeds hamburger buns, and I'm just going to lightly toast them in butter. Our burger patties are done. So I'm going to add some Mexican style cheese and then put this under the boiler for about 30 seconds until the cheese is melted. And I have some tomatoes and some lettuce, and I'm going to add some mayonnaise. This is going to be our toppings for our cheeseburger slash hamburger. It's going to mix this together. I hope you try this recipe and let me know how you like it. The kebab masala is a great seasonings for steak, or if you want to season the hamburger meat or taco meat. Also, if you like to try any of my spice kits or my tea kits, send me a DM or visit jarmasala.com. And please do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Jar Masala for more simple and easy recipes. Thank you for watching.